Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well, and today we are actually doing something which I wanted to do for a very long time, and that is to fly my DJI Mavic 2 Pro together with my FPV drone. Let's go. Alright, just got done flying with the FPV drone and with my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And what can I say? What are my impressions? The fact that you can combine the smoothness of the Mavic 2 Pro with the power and the agility of the FPV drone and create an epic footage by using both of them is just amazing, and I feel so grateful and thankful for having both of these amazing drones so I can capture whatever I want the way I want it to be, because this gives you so much more flexibility and just so much more freedom to explore, to record whatever you want, and to achieve some shots that otherwise you wouldn't be able to if you are just using a regular DJI drone such as the Mavic 2 Pro. So like I said, I'm extremely happy to have both of these devices on my disposal, being able to use them at all times, and I'm falling more and more in love with this little guy because let me tell you, it was it was a special feeling flying between the two bridges and not hitting anything. It was yeah, it was quite the experience, but I will definitely remember it, and I certainly enjoyed it quite a lot. So hopefully you did as well. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for hopefully many more videos like this one. Let me know if you have enjoyed it, because certainly I did, and if you have enjoyed it as well, then we'll make more of those for sure. So thank you for watching. It's a real pleasure to create videos like these, and yeah, looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Ciao.